So I'm in the 60 Chevy here in Tiverton, Rhode Island, and we got some real old iron headed up our way here. Don't know where they're going. Got some real old iron here. Better shift. Very cool. Here comes some more. Old iron, very old iron. Wonder where they're all headed. Stay tuned. So today we said hello to the Chevy.
That one I'm upside down on. Sure.
The 41 Plymouth, what a car. The Maxwell.
53 Plymouth, 56 Plymouth.
53 Plymouth, 56 Plymouth.
Well, that's just jumping off.
And let's not forget our buddy here.
Oh, the Rambler.
The Rambler. Right from Kenosha. 1953 Plymouth Cambridge. And what makes this car special is the high drive transmission, which is a transmission that shares its lubricant with the engine. So this car, although it looks a little Spartan, has a very special feature to it. Here we have Stanley's favorite engine, the Flathead 6, ready for action.
They hit it again.
Very good clutch.
Excellent. There you have it, my boy.
There you have it. Look at this.
Nice interior. Somebody did it over once upon a time.